Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app and conditions. Updated Google or Lens app, steady hands, and strong light so OCR can read the letters. Once ready, open Lens and switch to text mode. This selects the OCR engine. You aim the camera at the text and gently hold still, because accuracy depends on clarity. Make sure Lens locks focus, then tap the screen to capture. This first capture step converts pixels into editable text, which is the only reliable way to type using Lens. Once Lens displays the extracted text, you refine what you want to type. Drag the selection handles or tap Select All for full passages. You do this because OCR can include extraneous characters, so trimming prevents errors. After selecting, tap Copy to place text on the clipboard, or use the Use in App option if available to send text directly into a document or message. Make sure to preview before pasting, because line breaks and capitalization sometimes need quick fixes. Now paste the copied text into your chosen app and edit punctuation, spacing, and capitalization. This is where you finalize the typed result. If the OCR misread characters, recapture with stronger light, a flatter angle, or higher resolution, because quality of capture equals quality of text. If problems persist, increase contrast or zoom closer, or type small segments manually. One key tip: when characters jumble, recapture with a steady tripod or phone rest. This fixes most recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.